Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K action flying camera, the foldable drone that's making waves with its advanced features, cinematic video capabilities, and intelligent flight technology. Check the latest price using the link below. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, content creator, or cyclist looking for an ultra-portable drone that captures stunning footage without the hassle of manual piloting, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is built for you. This is more than just a camera with propellers, it's a fully autonomous flying assistant that delivers 8K video, intelligent tracking, and powerful stability, all in a device that fits in your pocket. The star of the show is the camera. It shoots 8K ultra-high-definition video and crisp high-resolution stills, making it ideal for creators who want professional quality content on the go. Thanks to its built-in SmoothCapture 2.0 system, your footage stays sharp, steady, and cinematic, even in windy conditions or during fast motion. Whether you're filming while cycling, hiking, or just exploring the outdoors, this drone captures dynamic movement with incredible detail. With a top follow speed of 42 km per hour, the X1 PROMAX easily keeps up with your rides, runs, or other fast-paced adventures. It uses advanced subject tracking technology that locks onto your position and maintains consistent framing as you move. You don't need a controller or an app to get started, simply launch the drone and let it fly hands-free while you stay in the moment. What makes this drone truly stand out is the number of fully automatic flight modes built in. You get over 10 smart flight patterns, including follow, orbit, hover, zoom out, and bird's eye, each delivering different cinematic perspectives with no piloting skills required. These modes let you create dynamic content with just a few taps, perfect for vlogs, travel reels, or action shots. The PROMAX is also equipped with OmniTerrain capability, meaning it can fly safely and efficiently in a wide range of environments, urban streets, rugged trails, wide open fields, or forested paths. It uses multi-directional obstacle avoidance and adaptive flight pathing to navigate complex surroundings and avoid collisions automatically, so you can focus on your activity while it does the work. One of the most impressive things about the X1 PROMAX is its size and design. This drone is completely foldable, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry in a backpack, bike pouch, or even your jacket pocket. Despite its compact form, it's built with premium materials that offer durability and wind resistance, so you can fly confidently in less than perfect weather. Battery life is solid, providing enough time to capture multiple clips in one session. The cycling combo includes extra batteries and accessories optimized for riding scenarios, giving you extended shooting time and seamless switching between locations without missing the action. Controlling the drone is as simple as it gets. You can use the app to preview your shots, change flight modes, or manually frame your subject, but it's designed to work autonomously most of the time. You can launch it from your hand and let it fly itself, making it one of the most beginner-friendly aerial cameras on the market. Another great feature is how quickly you can transfer content. With Wi-Fi direct and high-speed wireless transfer, getting your footage from the drone to your phone is fast and effortless, ready for immediate editing or sharing on social media. To sum it up, the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K action flying camera is an outstanding innovation for creators who want cinematic shots without complicated controls. With 8K video, automatic tracking, multiple flight modes, and foldable portability, it's the perfect drone for capturing high-energy outdoor adventures, especially when you're on the move. Check the latest price using the link below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how you'd use the X1 PROMAX. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.